Vanish Oxy Action is double the price of Astonish branded Oxy Active. I'm going to put them both to the test. This tea towel is wrecked. I used it to dry a cast iron griddle that I cleaned. Filthy, tea stains. You know, this is going to be a real proper test. Teddy, watch out. I've got 2 containers here with warm tap water. There's about the same amount of water in each. I did measure it. I'm going to put 1 scoop in each bowl. So on this side is the Vanish. And then on this side, the Astonish. It's quite late, so I'll be leaving them overnight to soak. And I'm going to put the Vanish tub by the Vanish bowl and the Astonish tub by the Astonish bowl. And in these go. Let's pop that one in the Vanish and this one in the Astonish. And we'll see how they're doing in the morning. Okay, they've been left overnight now. Let's take a look. First the Vanish. Now I wasn't expecting Miracle White, but I was expecting more of a change than that, to be honest. Here's the Astonish side. And again, I can't see a difference. Before I move on to the next stage, I thought we'd take a closer look. This is Vanish, this is Astonish. And I'm not sure if I'm seeing things, but I think maybe the Vanish side is slightly whiter on the white parts of the towel. But it's so minor, it's hard to tell. But as far as the stain removal's gone, neither one of them has touched it. Okay, re-soak. This time I'm going to use 2 scoops in each bowl, and I'm going to take a soft brush and scrub the powder in. Okay, it's been about 5 hours. I'm going to take them out, pop them side by side again, and we'll take a look. Well, honestly, I'm feeling a bit underwhelmed. Now, I wasn't expecting a miracle. These are obviously very challenging stains, but I was expecting to see some kind of difference. Okay, I'm going to step up this challenge now. Fresh warm water, 1 scoop in each, and my secret ingredient is fairy liquid. I've used this before and the combination seems to work. These stains might be too challenging, but I'm going to give it a go. Now, I know I'm kind of stepping outside of testing the products on their own, but it'll still be an equal test. Can you see the difference? Let's do that again. See what I mean? It's like magic. Massive difference. Now let's see if the same happens with the Astonish and Fairy Liquid mix. Let me find a good stain. Here we go. Right. I'm going to go for that bit. Well, there's a good bit. All right, this one. Pretty much gone. Another bit there. amazing again. Okay, time for the final conclusion between the Vanish Oxy Action and the Astonish Oxy Active. Between those two, they both had a really long soak. They both had the powder scrubbed into them. If anything, I would say the Vanish slightly whiter, but honestly, I don't even know if I'm just trying to see a difference. I'll let you decide. Where it really worked was mixing in good old-fashioned fairy liquid and giving it a good scrub. Now in real life, we've probably just got one little area of stain, so we're not going to be scrubbing a whole tea towel. So my advice is to get the cheaper version, mix in a little bit of fairy liquid, give it a good scrub, and that does the job really well. I hope this has been helpful. Any likes or comments are really appreciated. Thank you for watching.